Today we're going to do IXL language arcs, and we're going to do I1. So let's click on I1, and we're doing second grade. Which word matches the picture? Which picture matches the word? Coach.
Coach.
That's the coach.
Grain. Cream. Stain.
Wait, grain? Cream? Oh.
Grain.
You're saying the answers for me. Let me make it so quiet. I don't want anyone to hear. Now, team. Because it's just annoying how they hear. Tie, this is the tie. Week. If I don't know the answers, I can just do this.
Weed. Week.
The day of the week, the day of the week. Steam.
Steam.
Clue.
Clue.
Steel.
Roast. Steel.
Pie.
Pie.
I'm gonna sneak to get chocolate.
Sneak. Moat. Float.
Moat rhymes with float. Male is a child. Greet.
Greet.
Greedy. Blue. Clue.
Clue.
Blue.
Clue.
Glue. Blue. Clue. But it's blue. Steep.
Steel. Steep. Sleep. Steep.
Steep does not rhyme with sleep.
Flies. Cries. Dries.
Whoa, that's a lot of rhyming words. There's
meal.
And there's
steel.
And there's
seal. Steel.
And those are gonna be peel. Like I'm gonna peel you up.
Neat. Heat. Treat.
Wait, did I do? What did I?
Heat.
I did this one. I did the very first one. I think I did it wrong. I was about to click watch a video. I got a prize, awards. How much did I get? I want to get another one. I didn't get another one. I need to practice more. Now I can keep on continuing. Stain.
Stain.
Brain. Teacher.
Stain.
I would name this
peak.
So this is a peak. And what is this called again? A peach. Peach.
Peach.
That's not a spell one. There's supposed to be an A in it. And then there's sneak. Like Cristiano Ronaldo. Snap. Okay, Cristiano Ronaldo did not sneak.
Peak.
But there is a peak to see if he sneaked.
Sheep.
I'm gonna beat Ronaldo this.
Braid.
I have to get 100%. Oh, 100. That's right.
Throat.
Rhymes with goat. A loaf of bread. This one is the right one. These are wrong.
Leaf. Loaf.
Float.
Greet. Beat. Bait. Beat.
Okay, hurry up.
Peel. Snail. Pale.
97.
Meat.
I could do it less than 3 seconds.
Fail.
Subscribe. Bye, everyone. See you on the next video.